You know how much one single cigarette butt pollutes the water and the soil when you throw it on the ground? Or do you realize how much of the plastic you have in your hands every day ends up in the ocean? Did you know that watching this right now creates as much CO2 as driving a car for almost 200 meters? I'm Thijs Biersteker. I'm an ecological artist and I work together with environmental scientists and biologists from all over the world to turn their facts into feelings.
Just outside Amsterdam, in an old paper factory, Thijs Biersteker gathers dry scientific data and translates it into works of art. By his side are a crack team of tech and communication professionals. They not only develop the concepts and visual designs, but also help build his projects. The Dutchman's creative drive is fueled by the challenges of the climate crisis.
Most of the time it starts with frustration. When I'm reading a research paper from a scientist and I'm like, why don't I know this? I should know this and the whole world should know this. And then I think my brain starts to reach out in the creative field, but also in the scientific field. And they start to come together in a shape where we translate the data and the research papers into an art installation that makes you feel those things again.
For his current project, Wither, Biersteker is working on creating plants from a curious material whose foliage can switch from transparent to opaque in the blink of an eye.
The crystals in the sheets are in chaotic state, but when a currency is applied, so when there's power going through it, it will just go straight and you can watch through it.
The work focuses on the ongoing destruction of the rainforest and makes visible the area of this ancient ecosystem that is being destroyed second by second.
Every leaf that you can see disappearing, becoming transparent and coming back, it marks the loss of 128 square meters of rainforest. That's around 10 soccer fields a minute of rainforest disappearing right now.
Statistics compiled by scientists in collaboration with UNESCO. Thijs Biersteker helps us see this data. A single cigarette butt pollutes 500 liters of water every day. More than 10 million tons of plastic end up in the world's oceans every year. And every megabyte of data generates 20 grams of carbon dioxide. Thijs Biersteker and his team developed their prototypes in close conjunction with scientists from a number of fields. The Dutchman himself holds positions at universities in Delft and Amsterdam. His pieces are often designed in such a way that he can produce them in various sizes.
We have a strong prototype phase, and that's the best part in the studio, where we turn it on for the first time. We're like, okay, it works. Because when you feel empathy or when it communicates the issue, that's the moment we all realize, like, okay, we're doing exactly what it should do.
What are trees and plants saying? How do they communicate with each other? And can they provide us with information too? The artist addresses these questions in several works, like here at Arnhem Museum in the Netherlands. This panel visualizes how this copper beach is doing in real time. 12 sensors measure data such as CO2 levels, humidity, and light conditions. Biersteker translates this data graphically into rings that provide information about the tree's well-being.
What you can see here is some of them are perfect because we're today in perfect weather, but some of them are bending, and that can be because there's a traffic jam in the neighborhood and the CO2 is spiking, or there's a lack of water here in the ground.
Thijs Biersteker's work can be seen all over the world. With his art, he hopes to inspire people to help save the planet.
I think when you combine the factual and the emotional side, it will start to create action in a quicker way. It will provoke action. And I think that's our job right now in this time and age, where we've heard the facts, now it's time for action.
And Thijs Biersteker's works, like Iconario, do just that. The robotic plant reacts to political decisions that affect biodiversity. Now it's reaching up into the sky, as if to celebrate a small victory for nature. A work of art as a growing glimmer of hope.